So please fill in your attendance, and then we will go ahead with our next session, which is the hand-on training session for running a test case, square-driven cavity. This session will be primarily taken by our team member, Mr. Abhushan Regni. Hello, Abhushan.
Yeah. So in the next session, we are going to do hands-on session using spoken tutorial. So you are going to do your first simulation in OpenFOAM. Then that simulation is going to be on square-driven cavity. So it's a cavity that is being driven by a velocity at the very top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna provide a link of one of our spoken tutorials. It will take you, I think, around 50 minutes to complete it. And if you run into any problems, we'll be there to solve your problems. And at the very end, I'm gonna do it myself as well. So if you are stuck, don't worry. I'll be showing you how to do this at the very end after 15 minutes. And a general instruction, if you are using WSL, instead of Gedit is a text editor, by the way. You can use notepad.exe if you are using WSL. Okay, so I'm gonna give the link of the spoken tutorial that you have to use. So just click on this link and watch the video, and you can parallelly do the simulation in OpenFOAM. Okay. So now I'm gonna start the time. I will give you guys around 15 minutes to do this. It should be done within 15 minutes. And if you have any problems, just hold on and type us in the chat. We have our team members Binayak and Krishna and myself. We will try to solve your queries. And after the 15 minutes, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, you guys can start.
Yeah. So the link is in the chat box. All of you are requested to please open the chat box and click on the link and start following whatever is instructed. Yeah, for any queries, you can unmute and ask. First, you try, and if you face any issues, you can always unmute and ask your query. Or you can also post your query in the chat box if you have issues in your microphone.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes.
Ma'am, this Control-Alt-T command is not working for me. So which terminal is to be opened, like CMD or PowerShell or something else?
So I think you might have installed WSL Ubuntu, right?
Yes, sir.
So you have to open that Ubuntu. That is your terminal.
Ubuntu, right, sir? Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me.
Yes, Divya.
Like I'm getting an error saying missing destination file operand after opt. Like when I use CP command.
Missing. Sorry, can you tell the?
I'm getting a missing destination
Okay. I
file
think.
operand after
Yeah.
opt open.
So I think you have typed the command wrong. That means you have not given the destination file. At the very end of that copy command, there is a dot, space and a dot. So I think you missed that dot. Is that so?
Now I'm getting an error saying no such file directory.
So I think you have typed the spelling of the command wrong. I'm gonna type that, paste that command in the chat window.
Yeah, sure.
You can just copy from there. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Yes, Vignesh.
Sir, actually, I need to find the system folder, sir. And cavity folder 0 with 0 and constant. I have to open that folder.
So you have opened 0 and constant folder, right?
Yes, opened it. I need to edit in that, right?
So I think you are in some directory right now. You must be either inside 0 or inside constant directory. Maybe you have to get out.
Okay, sir.
You can get out of the that 0 or constant directory by doing cd space dot dot.
Sir, I have to open that file now, sir, for block mesh. You want me? Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello,
Yes, Guru.
So I'm having facing problem of sir opening that folder. So the tutorial folder, sir.
What is the error that you get while trying to open it?
No such file on the directory. This
okay. So have you copied the file?
Yes, sir.
So while copying, did you get any error, or while opening the file, did you get any error?
Sir, actually it is showing that no such file is in the directory.
Okay, are you sure you have typed the spelling of those directories correct?
Yes, sir.
You can also copy from the command that I've just typed in the chat window,
Hmm.
e space -r. If that is working,
Hmm.
can you check that whether that is working or not?
Sir, cannot start tutorial, no such file in the directory. It is showing like that, sir.
Okay, can
So
you?
whatever your one command that tutorial and incompressible. So this I have to paste on that.
Okay, yeah, you have to copy the tutorial file first, cp space -r,
Okay.
the command. Can you try that command and tell me whether it is working or not for you?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, Dhruv.
Is there any way how to view the mesh created by the block mesh command?
So, okay, there is a way. Have you installed ParaView, right? I told you to install ParaView.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So there is a way to view it. Don't worry. I'll show you at the end of this tutorial session. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
But I hope you might have run all those tutorial things, right? You run the command and then you were able to simulate it, right?
Okay, huh?
Yeah, just make sure that you do that and we are going to view it together. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Calvin.
Okay, I have installed OpenFOAM version 10.
Okay.
So the command like foam tutorials, I'm getting the missing destination file operand after that error I'm getting.
So I think even in the OpenFOAM table, the command should work.
Okay.
Either you have missed something or the spelling is wrong. Just make sure that at the very end of that command, there is a space and a dot.
Okay, okay, yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'll check it.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Sabil, while I was typing the command notepad.exe cavity system block mesh dict dollar sign is not coming after entering. Without dollar it is coming. And in tutorial it is dollar there.
So sorry, while typing what command again?
Notepad.exe cavity system block mesh dict. In tutorial there is dollar after entering, but
okay, what command? Just let me see.
okay, just see this.
Can you just type that error in the chat box? Oh, you can start at the screen. Okay, that is nice. See, you are in the run directory and notepad.exe cavity system block mesh dict. You might have, there is a notepad.exe that is open somewhere, right?
Okay.
You need to close that.
Okay. Then
yeah, then you
how do I access the tutorial gedit cavity?
So if you have a double SL, you don't have a gedit. You can also install it, but right now you can use notepad.exe.
When I'm not using notepad.exe, then permission denied is.
Yeah, that is you don't need to
okay.
Dollar, okay. You can use notepad.exe and it will open your notepad. Gedit is also like a notepad. It is a text editor.
Then I have to close the notepad.
Yeah, you have to close the notepad.
Okay.
So this is for everyone. While typing the command, make sure that your spelling is correct. I have been seeing that few of the students have typed their command wrong while doing the CP command.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Manan.
I'm not able to install actually the OpenFOAM after the step 4 as per the instruction given in the sheet. Can you please help?
So right now, I think it's too late to help to install OpenFOAM. So I think I want you to write us to our mail ID that was given to the chat.
Okay, sir.
Contact CFD. So you are installing OpenFOAM 7, right?
Yes, sir. I'm installing OpenFOAM 7 from Ubuntu, but it's not working as per the command.
Or using VirtualBox?
Sir, VirtualBox.
Okay, which is the version of Ubuntu have you installed in your VirtualBox?
Just a second, sir. 18.04.
So I think it should work. Why didn't you check all the commands? In that step 2, there are actually 2 commands.
Yes, sir.
Type both of those commands one by one in step 2.
Yes, sir. I have done that.
Okay. What error do you get when you try to install OpenFOAM?
Sir, actually, I'm getting error in step 4. Up till step 3, it's correct, and then I'm getting error in step 4. When I write sudo ap, whatever this command is, install OpenFOAM 7,
Okay,
Then
yeah.
I get an error
Yeah, what is in
stating
the
that unable to correct problems, you have to help broken packages.
okay. So why didn't you go through the step one more time from step 2? Okay.
Okay.
So there is a 2 command actually in step 2. Just make sure that you type
Yes, sir.
both of
Yes.
them. Okay.
Okay, I'll try. Thank you.
And if you still have problem, just write to us.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, same problem here.
Okay, just write to us right
I
now.
already mailed you.
Okay, okay,
Sir, I already installed the OpenFOAM 1706 for my project work.
okay.
But I'm trying to install OpenFOAM 7, but having the error like failure to fetch some website is coming, website name link.
Okay.
I just mailed you.
Okay, you can just mail to us. I'll try to solve the problem. Okay. So Venkatesh, you are saying
The version 1706 supports.
yeah.
Can I use 1706 for this
Hey,
test
you
case?
can use it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Venkatesh is getting block mistake is not working. If you are trying to use block miss command, it is not block mistake. It is just block miss. So I think Venkatesh, you are using gedit. We have said time to time again to use notepad.exe if you are using WSL. So anyway, it's already 17 minutes. I think those participants who have completed the tutorial, can they raise their hand so that I can get an idea how many of you are able to complete? Okay, we have few raised hands. Okay, if you have completed your tutorial, you can raise your hand. Okay, so now you can lower your hand. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. If you have not been able to do it, don't worry, just follow me. Since this is your first tutorial, you can just follow me, and in your next tutorial, you can do it yourself, okay? I have shared my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Can anyone confirm?
Yes, it is visible, Abhishan.
Okay, so let me start with our first command, that is to go to the run directory. So I'm going to do cd from run, and this will get me to the run directory. You can check whether you are in your run directory or not by taking a look at this / things here. See, it says that I'm in run. That means currently I'm in run directory. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the tutorial cavity from foam tutorials. For that, I'm going to use this command cp-r then $foam tutorials. There's a trick to it. If you don't want to make any spelling mistake, after typing half of the line, you can press tab, and this terminal will complete it for you. Now, if I press tab, it's going to complete my sentence, like foam tutorials. Again, I'm going to do slash, and I'm going to do incompressible. I'm not going to type all the incompressible. I'm just going to press tab. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to type incomp, and when I press tab, see it automatically completed incompressible for me. So now I'm going to type ico4 and then cavity and then cavity again. And after the cavity, I need to press a space, then a dot. This dot means that I want to copy this file into the current directory, that is run directory. Now when I press enter, the command is completed. Now if I do ls, you can see that I have a file named cavity in my run directory. So now to get into this cavity, I'm going to type this command cd cavity. So this will get me inside the cavity. You can see that here I was only until run. Now I have run and cavity. This means I'm inside my cavity folder. Okay. Now let's see what is in the block miss. So if you are using Ubuntu, you might want to use gedit VirtualBox. You might want to use gedit and then system and then block mystic. But since most of you guys are using WSL and in WSL gedit is not installed by default, you have to use notepad.exe. Okay, so if you use notepad.exe and space and system and slash and blockmeshdict, you will get blockmeshdict file. So I hope you can see my blockmeshdict file, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as you can see, these are the vertices of my cavity. So since cavity is a square, right? We are doing simulation on square cavity. So these are the vertices of each point of those cavity, and this is my block. You'll learn about this in the next session more. Right now, I'm just gonna provide you a brief description on what is this. So this is the block. I am using one block to mesh my geometry, and I'm saying that I will divide my geometry into 20 halves in the x direction and 20 halves in the y direction. And in the z direction, I'm gonna only provide one division. That means there is no division in z direction since this is a 2D simulation. And this is the boundary. So at the very top, I'm providing a moving wall, and apart from top, on my left, right, and bottom, I am using fixed walls. This is just a name. I'm providing the name fixed walls, and I'm assigning those walls to the fixed walls. And in front and back, since this is a 2D simulation, we have to provide empty. You'll get into this more detail in the next session, so don't worry about it if you don't understand it right now. So I'm going to close my blockmeshdict file, and I'm going to do ls. So in my cavity, inside cavity, I have 0, constant, and system. In 0 folder, we will have our initial conditions and boundary condition. And constant, we have properties of the fluid and turbulence properties, such thing. And inside system, we have files that controls our simulation. So let's see what is inside inside our 0 folder. So when I do ls space 0, it will show me the content of inside my 0 folder, that is u and p. So we have u and p inside our 0 folder. Let's see what is inside the u. So to do that, I'm going to type notepad.exe and then 0 and then slash and then u. So this will open a notepad, and it has contents of the u. So u stands for velocity, and it contains boundary condition and internal field, which is the initial condition of my velocity. So in the moving wall that is at the top, I am providing a velocity 1 meter per second in the x direction. If I were to provide in y or z direction, I would have value over here also. But right now the wall is only moving in the x direction, so there is only 1. And in fixed wall, that is in other walls, I am giving no slip boundary condition. That means there is a friction involved or viscosity involved in the other 3 walls. And the front and back is kept empty since this is a 2D simulation. So now I'm going to close this. So let's see what is inside the pressure, that is file P. So I'm going to do notepad.exe and then 0 slash and then P. So when I do that, you can see that I have moving wall, fixed wall, and front and back. Front and back is given empty as usual, and we're giving 0 gradient boundary condition for our moving and fixed wall. So now let's see what is inside constant. So inside constant, we have transport properties. It contains fluid properties. Let's see what is inside it. I'm going to type notepad.exe and then constant and then transport properties. You don't have to type all the command. You can just type trans and then press tab. It will automatically complete it for you. So see, this is a viscosity parameter, kinematic viscosity of our fluid that is being provided here. So I'm going to close this. Now let's see what is inside system. So inside system, we have blockmeshdict. We have already seen blockmeshdict. It contains information on geometry. We have control tick, FB scheme, and FB solution. FB schemes contains information about what kind of schemes that we have used to discretize our equation, governing equation, the same equation that you just saw in the previous lecture. And in FB solution, you have information on residuals and the way how the discretized equation is being solved. Now let's see what is inside the control dict. So I'm going to type notepad.exe and then system and then control dict. So here, initially, there's information on application. That means what solver are we using to solve our problem. We are using IcoFoam this time, so it is listed as IcoFoam. And the start time is given 0 second. So the simulation will begin from the 0 second and it will end at 0.5 second. And we also need to provide time step since this is a transient simulation and the transient simulation is 0.005. Now I'm going to close this. So now I'm going to start the simulation. So the command, before starting the simulation, I need to mesh the geometry. So I'm going to mesh it by typing block.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Can you once show me the block mesh dict? My code is like slightly different, so I need to just write it.
So you need not to be worried if your code is slightly different. Depending on the version, there may be slight changes.
I think at last, yeah, merge my patch per. That only I'm getting some errors. Wait.
Okay, what do you have here?
Like it's not there in my.
Okay, it doesn't matter because we are not using merge patch pair here. Since if you were to use merge patch pair here, there will be something in here. Since it is not here, the OpenFOAM is just ignoring it right now. So if you don't have it, you need not to worry about it. Okay.
Okay.
So now, before starting the simulation, I'm going to mesh my geometry. So I'm going to type block mesh. So this will mesh my geometry. As you can see, something is happening. Okay, it has meshed my geometry. Now to run the simulation, I'm going to type command IcoFoam. So when I press enter, it will start my simulation. And my simulation is complete. Since it's a very simple simulation, it will finish very fast. Now, in order to view the result that you have just obtained, just carefully type this command below. I want you to write this command down because you will be using this command every now and then. If you have Ubuntu or VirtualBox, you can just type parafoam. And this would open a parafoam window like this. But since most of you guys are using WSL and you don't have a graphic enabled in your WSL, you have to go through some other route to visualize the result. So just write this command somewhere and just type with me. So first command is touch result.foam. Just carefully write this command somewhere because you will be using this every now and then. It is touch space result.foam. So when I press enter, it will create a file in my directory cavity. So if I do ls, I have a file named result.foam, and this contains, using this file, I can view my simulation result. Now, I want you guys to open this directory using File Explorer. To do that, you have to type this command, explorer.exe, and then space and dot. I want you guys to also write this command somewhere because you will be using this command very often. Again, the command is explorer.exe space dot. Now, when I press enter, it will open the directory in my File Explorer, and this is that result.foam file. If you are doing it for the first time, you won't get this icon of ParaView in your result.foam because the Windows doesn't recognize that you have ParaView installed right now. So for that, just carefully follow me. Do a right click and press on open with and choose another app. Since I have already opened this previously using ParaView, I have ParaView option, but you might not have ParaView. Just scroll down and click on choose an app on your PC. I hope everyone is following me. I'll just wait here for a while.
Just wait. After open ParaView, what we have to write? Is it touch? What is it?
It is a touch space result.foam.
Just show me the code once.
touch space result.form.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Okay, you did it right. Once again, I'm going to pause here for a little time. And after this command, you have to give this command explorer.exe space dot. Write this command down somewhere in the paper. I hope all of you have done this till now here, right? So after that, you were supposed to go here. When you do the explorer.exe space dot, this window will open.
I'm sorry, just show me that again.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, can you scroll a little bit up? The last command for meshing, sir, you used. That
So command for meshing is block mesh. I'm just typing it here.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you show me what to do after the opening the result form?
Okay, yeah, I'm going to show it. I hope everyone has cast on till now. Just give me a yes. So you guys have followed me here till now, right?
Yeah, sir. Here, like it is not showing ParaView app, so it's like blank.
Yeah.
Result.
So, yeah, exactly. At the very first, you will get a blank thing. So for that, to get this ParaView, what you have to do is right click on this thing.
Yeah.
And show more option. Sorry. Right click on this thing and click on open with and choose another app.
Okay. Open with. Okay, so here, ParaView.
So here also you won't get a ParaView thing.
Yes, sir. Here it is not there.
So you have to scroll down and click on choose an app on your PC.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is following me till now. I'm going to click on this, choose an app on your PC.
Then ParaView 5.110.
Yeah. So now after clicking on choose on an app on your PC, what you have to do is you have to go to this PC, click on C and click on program files.
Yeah.
And then somewhere here you have to find ParaView. You can just click a file and type P in your keyboard. You will get a ParaView.
Okay.
And inside the ParaView, you have to go to this bin folder.
Bin folder, yeah.
Yeah. And here you can file the ParaView.
ParaView application. Yeah.
Yeah. And then click on open.
Yes.
And click on always. Once you do that, click on always.
Yeah.
So when you do that, it will open your ParaView window. And first thing you have to do is click on apply.
Click on apply.
Yeah.
Where this okay.
It's at your left over here.
Yeah. I got this. Yeah.
Okay. Now you can view your results. So if you go here at this top left, you can see a P written over there.
Yes.
You can switch it to velocity V.
Yeah.
And you can go to the final time step by clicking on this last frame, 0.5. You click on this, it will show you the results that was obtained in your last frame. So this is the velocity counter. And if you want to see pressure counter, you can just click on P. And this is how you view your simulation result in ParaView. I hope everyone was able to follow.
Sir, what is that 0.5 time? I'm not getting it.
This is the time step.
Okay, but earlier it was showing 0.1. So, I mean.
Yeah, it's okay because that was your 0.1. Then you slowly move to 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5 depending on your time step. So I think we're done here. This simulation session. I hope everyone was able to follow this.
Sir, can you did you just step through the time? Can you step through the time steps and see the?
Yeah.
So this is just the beginning and the end. Are there intermediary time steps that you?
Yeah, there's an intermediate time step. This is a very simple simulation. So right now you won't see any changes.
Okay.
Later on, when you do a more complex simulation, you will be able to see detailed changes with the time step.
Okay.
So I'm going to wrap up this session because we have our next session from Professor Hari Krishnan, that is on Introduction to Meshing, where you will learn like how the meshing in the CFD is done.